Forum 7. It says to, after this week's lessons and reading, discuss Simonson's equivalency theory and how it might affect how universities or K-12 handle development, implementation, and management of distant learning programs. According to the book Teaching and Learning at a Distance, Foundations of Distance Education by Simonson, Smaldino, Albright, and Chavek. I said it wrong every time. The theory behind the equivalency theory is that instead of having identical learning, that the learners have equivalent learning, saying that it won't exactly be the same, but the learning experience needs to be provided to each learner, whether it's local or distant, and the expectation should be equivalent with the same equivalent outcomes. It went on to say that this theory is based on the definition of distance education as formal, institutionally based education where the learning group is separated and where interactive telecommunication systems are used to connect learners, resources, and instructors. Furthermore, the chapter goes on to discuss this how development of this, those who develop these online classes or distant learning opportunities have to go above and beyond to make sure that this is met. This might affect how universities handle development because they need to know that it shouldn't be identical to what's in the classroom, but it should be equivalent in terms of how you reach the learners. And the way that it is implemented may vary because you can't reach every single learner. That was in the start of on page 52 that was wrong for it to be exactly the same the way it's communicated or taught when it's in the classroom versus where it's distant learning. And so to manage this, the educator will have to make sure and try to ensure that they provide an online education that's not identical to the classroom setting, but it's equivalent in what the learner, the outcome for the learner in the way that the learner experiences or goes through the class. It even went on to say about how a triangle and a square may have the same area and be considered equivalent even though they're different because all distance learners are different in some way. Thank you.